everyone, this is Jennifer from MIFIA. We are one of top 3 in China to produce book cover for almost 10 years. Produced by automatic high-frequency machine. We MIFIA passed BSCI, C-TPAT and Disney. People may think book cover is easy product, one plastic and 2 pocket. No, it's not easy. It needs huge experience. We have 10 years experience to have a special formula to avoid sticky, to make super clear, flexible, strong edge, and to control the best reasonable size between cover and books. And our material can pass rich, facility-free, and heavy metal-free or friendly. Now let me show you how many book covers we have. Firstly, solid book cover. It's not see-through and friendly, any sizes available. And here, pastel book cover. It's any colors, pastel and not see-through. Next one, our neon book cover. We have 4 neon colors, very soft and friendly. Even we have a neon color with super nice logo. It's big logo, special technology. Next one, let me show you the PE book cover. It's one friendly book cover and soft. South America people like them very much. And the PP one, we do many sizes. Now this one is PP pastel color, also solid. I like it very much. It's printing one. We can do very nice printing quality, vivid color, and even very reasonable price. Now shiny one, holographic, very popular. It's PP material, all friendly. We also have many designs. So now let me recommend our star product, printing with foil, golden foil or silver foil. So we can choose and we can change designs. Dun 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 dun, now holographic. Now is one of our top selling products. We also can design for you. So now let me show you the regular one. First one, PVC. It's super clear and strong, also friendly. Next one, PP. It's a little bit harder, but very friendly, also super clear. The last one, it's amazing. It's super soft and super strong. So, and even we have a self-adhesive book cover. We MIFIA, we have many range of book cover, even we develop more. MIFIA's book cover, there's always one for you.